Kudarat, how are you feeling right now?
Very happy. To my province, Sultan Kudarat, thank you so much for believing in me.
Alright, here is your final question. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
Miss Universe Philippines symbolizes not just glamour, it represents us all. Through Miss Universe Philippines, we have advocacy spheres. And through these advocacies, we help our communities. And by that, I believe that we women, we Filipina women, are not just a light of beauty, but we are also a carrier of dreams and aspiration of our nations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Sultan Kudarat. Wow! Lots of supporters here at the Macarena. Miss Launion, are you ready for your final question?
More than ready, and daghan salamat po to
Alright, Ms. Launion, here is your question. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
The Philippines is something and a place that I've been in love with my whole life. Growing up in a predominantly non-diverse part of the United States, I was identified as Filipina first and foremost. I often had to point where the Philippines was on a map to my peers, and I always felt a sense of belonging and home. I chose to pack my life into balikbayan boxes and suitcases because I believe in the limitless potential of the Filipino people and the fact that we need to create local opportunities here so that people don't have to go abroad and be separated from their families in order to survive. If I were given the title of Miss Universe Philippines, I promise to be a public servant for all.
Thank you so much, Ms. Launion. And lastly, hi, Miss Cebu City, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great, and the abundance of support that I'm receiving tonight is overwhelming.
Indeed.
Salamat.
Alright, here is your final question, Miss Cebu. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
I do understand that we Filipinos feel that way because we care deeply and we know that we deserve better. As an OFW myself, I always send money back home and I feel frustrated too. But as long as we know that we show up and we don't just share struggles, but we share the stories of hope and culture and heritage for us being Filipino. And I'm ready to represent each one of you, to all the Filipinos out there, that we don't stop raising our flag because Philippines is worth believing in. Mabuhay
Hi, Mr. Gig. How are you right now?
Kinikilig ako. Being next to you, being in an arena full of the most supported Filipinos, I'm honored.
Well, here is your final question. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
Our country is going through a crisis right now. And although this is something that is not new to us, I believe that I'm a representation of a Filipina who never gives up. I have stood on this stage before, But I came back not because this journey is easy, but because I believe that dreams are worth chasing. And I'm here before you because I want to prove that we Filipinos, although we may stumble or fall sometimes, we will always soar twice as high.
Miss Cebu Province, we look forward to tonight. Are you ready? Thank you so much. Again, I'm just keeping up with you all. Okay, are you ready for the final question? Okay, here we go. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
As someone who has not only represented the country, I have lived what it means to be a Filipina. And I have seen the growth and the power that it takes to represent the country globally. The Philippines has so much to offer, not just the people, not just the stories, but our hearts. And that deserves to be spread all throughout the universe.
There we go. Miss Cebu Province, thank you so much. Thank you. All right, one more lady left. Miss Pampanga, join us tonight, Mr. Lam. Thank you. I'm just keeping up with y'all. All right, are you ready for your question? Okay, here we go. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
I grew up with an OFW mother and my father is security guard. With this, I learned to be independent. So, as a representative of the Philippines in the international stage, I will bring this story that inspire and I will speak up to other people. And I believe this independency molded me as an empowered Filipina. Because an empowered Filipina has the light that empowers and forces the universe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lam. Beautiful, just beautiful. Miss Pampanga, are you ready for your question?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
I believe it is still very important to represent the Philippines in a global stage because the Philippines has so much to offer. From its beautiful mountains to its very beautiful beaches, the Philippines is such a beautiful country to live in. And I know that the most powerful tool that I have is to use my voice and be that example that we Filipinos are strong, independent, confident, and beautiful. Thank you.
Here we have it, Miss Pampanga. Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies. Wow.